Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan na ibang pinuntahan. Parang babae, ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan. Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home.
Go na, Arnie!
I've walked the streets of San Francisco. I've tried to ride in Disneyland. Dated a million girls in Sydney. Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mo'y kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go.
Thank you!
Alam mo, boy, he's exactly like Aiza. Na ngayon, ang ganda na ng boses. How did that
How did that happen?
And you can groove, ah?
Did you go through
Voice
voice
lesson.
lessons?
Sabi niya sa banyo lang daw siya nag-practice.
Totoo?
Oo, sa banyo lang.
At saka lahat ng mga karanasan na yung pinagdaanan nasa boses, meron siyang, there's a certain raspiness. Di ba may, galing eh. Di ba?
I'm amazed.
Ako rin.
Talaga,
Congratulations.
thank you. You sing, right?
No, we
Chris?
cannot.
Thank you,
That's why we talk.
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas. Narito po ang ating mga
Joining
panauhin.
us, Christian of PDA.
I used to say I am me. Now it's us. Now it's we.
Thank you!
Richard Poon!
I can only give you love that lasts forever, and I promise to be near each time you call. And the only heart I own for you and you alone. That's all. That's all.
Ay! Last minute! Kinilig ako para sa iyo, Chan!
Parang
La Arnie, Lozada.
Lozada.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Dooby dooby doo.
Okay, the Sabado Boys. Paulo Santos, Top Cesara, Jimmy Bondoc, and Mike Chan.
And DJ Mike.
I gave to you my heart and soul. Now I just need to let you know you're part of me that I just can't let go.
Bravo! Sabado Boys! Good morning!
And
Galing!
we saved the best for last. Aiza Seguera.
Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you before the second show. And your guitar, it sounds so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just the radio.
Ganda.
Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Patikim pa lamang po ito kung ano ang magaganap ngayong umaga. Diyan lamang po kayo. Magbabalik po ang Boy
And Chris.
Everyone springtime there. You were mine
love na ako sa boses mo.
Ganda, no?
Tama pala sila talaga. My entire household was saying you have that gift of changing your voice for each song.
Pag-usapan natin yung kanta mo, yung Sad to Belong. Nangyari na ba yan sa iyong buhay? Hindi pa?
Never
Or regret?
po.
It's a little regret song.
It happened.
Kasi po, pag magmahal ako, isa lang talaga.
Hi, Jimmy.
Babati muna ako.
Magandang umaga.
Hindi, kasi di ba parang sa'yo in reverse. I'm so sorry And I'm not gonna name names.
Na
just
ano
to
ako, na
make it,
psychology
ano.
reverse ako.
Hindi, kasi di ba, ikaw yung may ka-relationship and then she met somebody else. And then, she belonged na to that someone else. But now at least they're not together na rin.
Hindi ko na maalala, basta nagkagulo na sa utak ko
Wait,
eh.
but that happens to everyone, not just Jimmy.
Siguro
Di ba?
mga 90% of the people I know nangyayari yun.
Di ba? Nangyayari talaga.
92.
It's a common, 92%. It's a common experience.
I think so. Kasi
Paolo is saying something.
single tayo eh.
Oo.
8%.
Ano? 8% sa Paolo. That's
Kakasal
good.
na kasi. Kakasal na.
Congratulations and best wishes in advance.
No, and I saw their photo in the papers.
Abogado ang mapapangasawag.
Richard, pag-usapan natin. Yung kanta.
He's been out of a relationship since 2001. It's been 7
remember that,
years.
yeah.
You know, I was hearing Top say the whole time na yung song daw, bakit ngayon ka lang na ginawang English?
Bakit ngayong
Sad to belong.
Correct.
Tama. Oo.
So I think yun yung
So, kung i-relate mo sa iyong buhay, nangyari na ba yan? What's your take on the song?
sa akin di pa naman, but I
Di
think
pa.
a lot of friends of mine experienced that feeling.
O, punta natin si To. Napagdaanan mo na ba yan?
Awa ng Diyos, hindi pa naman.
Hindi
very,
pa.
very happy.
Mike, ikaw, meron ka bang maidadagdag dyan sa mga karanasan ng lalaki?
Wala, nandyan girlfriend ko eh.
Okay, alright.
May nakabantay.
We respect that.
Wala.
No,
Mike,
we're
ikaw, Mike.
very respectful of that.
Very good. Mike,
Wala naman so far.
wala pa.
Did it ever happen to Gabby na may nagustuhan kang girl na yung girl already had a commitment and you were turned down by that girl because she wanted to honor that commitment? Or lahat ng girls, goodbye to the boy!
Correct. Si Gabby Concepcion ang nanliligaw. Eh.
Kaya nga merong kanta ang apo eh, yung kahit
Na?
ang hirap magmahal na syota ng iba.
Nagmahal ka na ba ng shota ng iba?
Wala pa naman. No? Wala.
Oo, wala pa.
Kailangan kasi walang commitment.
Walang commitment.
Okay.
Okay. Christian, dapat kausapin kita. Nagmahal ka na ba sa shota ng iba?
Nagmahal na po ako. Kaya lang po, na yung song, parang yung girl yung napupunta sa iba. Hindi po, parang iniiwan po ako.
Nangyari ba yan?
Yun,
Okay.
so, malungkot po.
Sad.
Pero,
dagdag lungkot yan sa iyong mga awitin.
Aiza had a song from either her first or her second album, yung Pakisabi na lang.
Ganda nun.
It's very much like this.
Oo, yan naman, martir ang dating na.
Happy birthday, Aiza.
Aiza, alam mo, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Boy talaga. We constantly pray for your success and we're so proud.
Totoo yun.
Hindi, totoo yun.
Totoo yun.
you very much.
Kanina lang napapag-usapan namin ni Chris. Sana
Yung mga paborito
yumaman
namin.
ka pa ng gusto because you deserve all the
And
success.
it's a guitar.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!